Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get belly rings on Dress to Impress. Okay, here I have joined Dress to Impress, and first of all guys, you can go to this area, this one, the area where you can get the necklaces, earrings, and also the belly rings. Okay, you just need to go to this area and you can grab the belly ears, the belly rings here. I'm going to zoom in to show you. This one, just tap on this belly ring or this one. You will have two options here. Sorry guys, I'm going to make it bigger again. Oops, sorry, I picked the wrong item. So you just need to tap on the belly ring. Okay, and this is how it looks, and you can change the color if you want. I'm just going to make it black like this. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get belly rings on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!